First of all, we will install Express node module. For this, we will go to command prompt and install the Express node module through this command. The module is getting installed. It has been installed now. Now we will understand line by line what is happening in the index.js file. The Express module is required, so this is imported from the node modules. Now we are instantiating an object of Express, which is called app. Now in the folder path variable, we are getting the command line argument, which is the third command line argument, which is indicated by index 2. This folder path will be used to get the actual path of the files that are served through the server. Now app.get, we are giving a callback function which accepts request and response. Through console log, we are outputting the request parameters. Request parameters contains the file name that is being served through the server. Now by response.send file, we are giving the folder path along with the file name. Folder path is not there, then dir name is used. It means the same directory in which index.js is present. Now we initialize port variable, which takes the value of environment called port. If it is not present, then 5000 is used as a port. Now in the app.listen method, we are passing the port value, and then it will output that it is listening on this port. In another video, we will take up the setting up of port environment variable. Now we run index.js through node command. Command is running. It will output whether it is listening on a port. Now that is listening on port 5000. So we will open now localhost 5000 in the web browser. We are using Chrome here, so we'll go to that. Now some error is coming that you cannot find this file or directory. Why this is happening? This is because we have not given any folder path. Now we will create a folder for our web project that we will serve through the Express server that we are using. Let's call it web project sample. Let's open the folder through Atom, which is a code editor. We will create some index.html file. Let's close all these tabs. We'll create an index.html file and put some code in it so that it is visible through the browser. We will use emmet abbreviations here for generating index.html. Emmet is a good way to write HTML through shortcuts and then expand it using the plugin. I will create a separate video on how to use emmet plugin and their shortcuts. So here we will go to emmet and then expand abbreviation. See how magically this converts into HTML. Now we will write some more code in the index.html file. We'll give it a title. Expand the title using emmet. Let's call the title as "This is a sample web page." Now we include some JavaScript using script tag. So here we are giving the script tag. And some CSS. Now we have expanded it through emmet, giving the src as script.js, and for the CSS, style.css. We put a div h1 then div, expand it through emmet, also a paragraph, we are putting heading. Now we put a div, let's give it some text, and then the paragraph. Now our HTML file is ready. We will create a file called script.js, put some JavaScript in it, create a function called click handler. What it will do is it will alert I have been clicked when we put this function on a click event of any tag. Now we'll create another file for CSS, style.css. Put some CSS code in it, some color for heading. Now our file is ready. Now we'll stop the previous server that was running. We will again run the command node index.js and the folder path for the project. We'll copy that and paste into this command line. This will be the third argument. Folder path will be used for serving the CSS, JavaScript and HTML files through the server. The command is running. Now it is listening on 5000 port. So we will open the web page and hit that localhost 5000. See, the magic has happened. So we'll summarize what we have done. We have imported express, then through the command line the third parameter, here I am marking that the third parameter is the folder name, which will serve the web page. It is taken into folder path variable. If that third parameter is present, then it will be used. Otherwise dir name, which is the same directory as the index.js file, will be used. Now this path will be used and appended to the file name and then sent through send file function. If there is no port given, then 5000 will be there. So here it is given that it is listening on port 5000.